भगवते वासुदेवाय। न शुश्रूषमाणानाम् अर्हस्यङ्गानुवर्णितुम् यस्यावतारो भूतानां क्षेमाय च भवाय च. O Suta Goswami, we are eager to learn about the personality of Godhead and His incarnations. Please explain to us those teachings imparted by previous masters, acharyas, for one is uplifted both by speaking them and by hearing them. Apanna samsritam ghoram yannama vivasho granam tata sadyo vimuchyeta yad bhiveti swayam bhayam. Living beings who are entangled in the complicated meshes of birth and death can be freed immediately by even unconsciously chanting the holy name of Krishna, which is feared by fear personified.